Hi, today I'm making southern collard greens. Now, I made this recipe a few years back when I was just starting, but it was time to try it again. So, for my greens, I'm going to begin with one whole onion sliced, bouillon cubes, and a half a stick of butter, as well as turkey necks. And these are smoked turkey that you can find in the grocery store. Next, I'm going to use at least 6 bushels of collard greens. Now, you can use probably up to 8, and it would be fine depending on how full the bushel is. But this is enough to feed, a family of 6 easy. So I put my greens in the sink, and I'm going to wash them and pull out the main center vein. So I that takes a little bit of time. And from there, I'm going to just sit them aside while I prepare the water and the smoked turkey for the greens. So this is going to take about 90 minutes. So this is one of those weekend recipes where it's going to cook low and slow. So as you can see, I've added my smoked turkey, and I'm covering it with a lid and, just putting it on low heat so it can cook down. I'm adding also my seasonings, or at least my initial seasonings, and that's 2 tablespoons of seasoned salt, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, as well as 1 tablespoon of onion powder. So you may definitely have to add additional seasoning, but this is what I'm starting with in the pot of water with the smoked turkey. I'm also adding 2 to 3 bouillon cubes, and again, this is really to your taste. The bouillon cubes are going to help flavor this water and the smoked turkey. I'm adding the seasoning and the whole onion to the water, and while that's cooking, I'm going to return to my greens. They're washed, they're in the sink, the vein has been pulled out, and I'm going to go ahead and roll the collard into a circle, and I'm going to do what's called an escarole cut. So once you've rolled it, I'm taking my time here to roll it, and you've gotten it into position, then you're going to just slice with your knife until it looks like this. So it'll almost kind of have almost a coleslaw look. This helps the greens to cook faster. And so we're going to just set all those cut greens aside until our water is ready. We're going to add those cut greens to the pot of seasoned water and just let them cook. Once they've cooked for at least 30 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add the butter to the collards, another level of flavoring, and we'll let that kind of melt down. You season to taste at this point because the turkey should be soft, the butter is melted, and based on how it tastes, if the leaves are tender and soft, it is ready to serve. And again, this will feed a family of 6 very easily.